Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys gave me a great response to my last Poundland hacks video, so I wanted to come back with another one for you, but this time it is a Christmas themed Poundland hacks video. But first I wanted to quickly tell you about the Channel Mum competition, which you can enter to win £250 of Next vouchers to make Christmas that little bit easier for you. You have until 11:30 this evening to enter, and it's very simple to do. And don't forget, Channel Mum also have their forum, so if Christmas is a difficult time for you, you can head on over there and get lots of support. I will pop a link to the competition in the description box. So let's get straight in and I will share with you some of my Poundland Christmas hacks. So this first hack is for anyone who's doing a zero waste or sustainable Christmas, but it also just makes a really pretty way of wrapping your gift. And I am using 2 of the Poundland tea towels. They come in a pack of 2 and they have stags on them. This one says the most wonderful time of the year. And all I'm doing is wrapping up my parcel using one of the tea towels and then tying it with a ribbon to hold it in place. It makes a really pretty gift, but it's also reusable obviously, so it can be used again for another gift or even as a tea towel. This next hack is a really easy one. We're going to be taking some tea lights. I love having candles at this time of year. It's so pretty and festive. But this is a way that you can coordinate your tea lights with your decor. You just take some washi tape and very simply pop it round your tea light. I find it easier to remove the wax first, pop the washi tape round it and then pop the candle back in, and it looks really effective and it's so simple. So for this next hack, we're going to be using the Poundland Christmas treat bags, and we're going to be making up little Christmas festive snack bags for kids. If you're going out and about over Christmas visiting relatives, sometimes we can be eating at different times than your kids are used to, or sometimes you're traveling further. So this is a really nice way to make up a little snack bag for them, but it also makes it a little bit more special for the festive period. So you just take one of the bags. I've used a little bit of tissue paper that I had, pop some snacks inside, and I've fastened it with a peg, and that way it's really easy for children to undo themselves and they can seal it again as well, and it's perfect for snacks on the go when you're out visiting. You might have seen in my Christmas Poundland haul video that I picked up this cat toy. It's a clear plastic bauble filled with little cat toys. We are going to open it up and take out the cat toys, and then what I'm doing is taking a little bit of silver card and I'm cutting out a letter E for Elle's initial, and I'm folding it over so that it's silver on both sides, and then all I'm going to do is pop it inside the Christmas bauble along with some tissue paper and feathers or whatever you want to use to decorate inside your bauble. I've tied a ribbon around the top to hang it on the tree, and also another one for decoration, and it makes a really nice personalised bauble for your tree. I love to decorate my Christmas dinner table and make it look all festive. So for this hack I'm using some candy canes. I'm using the mini ones, and all you do is take 3 candy canes. I've tied mine together with some of the ribbon from Poundland, and then you just take a piece of card and write the name on, and it makes a really cute Christmas place setting. This last hack is using one of the Poundland plain Christmas ornaments. I've got the star one, but they have Christmas trees and reindeers and different things, and I am just using some Sharpie pen to personalise it, and it makes a really special keepsake for someone. I've done this one for a little baby in our family for their first Christmas, and I've put the year on it so that it's something that they can keep for the future if they want, and you can personalise it however you want for a teacher or a friend or whatever you want to put on it, and it just makes a really nice personalised gift. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.